Google just had one of its biggest AI years ever. And honestly, it feels like AI is now everywhere inside Google's ecosystem. Because whether you're using Search, Gmail, Android, Chrome, Docs, Photos, or YouTube, AI is becoming part of almost everything Google offers. So, in this video, we're going to talk about what Google's AI expansion means for everyday users in 2026 and whether it's actually a good thing. First, let's talk about search, because this is where most people are noticing the biggest changes. Instead of simply showing links, Google is increasingly using AI to generate answers, summaries, recommendations, and explanations directly on the search page. This means users can often get information faster without opening multiple websites. Now let's talk about Gmail, because AI is becoming a personal assistant inside your inbox. Google's AI can help draft emails, summarize conversations, suggest replies, and organize information. And honestly, for people who receive lots of emails, this can save a surprising amount of time. Now, another major area, Google Docs, because writing documents is becoming much more AI powered. Users can now generate content, rewrite paragraphs, brainstorm ideas, and summarize long documents directly inside Google's productivity tools. Instead of switching between multiple apps, the AI is built directly into the workflow. Now let's talk about Android, because AI may become one of the most important smartphone features in 2026. Google is bringing AI deeper into Android, allowing phones to understand context, assist with tasks, organize information, and help users complete actions more quickly. The goal is to make the device feel less like a tool and more like a personal assistant. Now, another area that's changing rapidly, Google Photos, because AI can now help users search photos more naturally, find memories faster, edit images, and organize collections automatically. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you can often describe what you're looking for and let the AI find it. Now, let's talk about YouTube, because creators are also seeing major AI changes. Google is adding more AI powered tools for content discovery, video creation, subtitles, translations, and recommendations. This could make creating and consuming content much easier, especially for smaller creators. Now, another important question, should people be worried? Because whenever AI expands, concerns about privacy and accuracy follow. Google says it continues to invest heavily in security, transparency, and responsible AI development, but users should still verify important information, especially when AI-generated answers are involved. Now, let's be honest for a second. This isn't just Google adding a few AI features. This is Google rebuilding many of its products around AI. And whether you're excited about it or skeptical, the reality is that AI is becoming a core part of how millions of people use technology every day. So, to wrap this up, Google's AI expansion in 2026 means smarter search results, AI powered Gmail, intelligent Google Docs tools, more capable Android devices, enhanced Google Photos, and new AI features across YouTube and other services because honestly, Google isn't treating AI as a separate product anymore. It's becoming the foundation of almost everything the company does.